Hi, I'm Jen, and since we all have to stay home now, I've been tasked with a mission, and that mission is to make meals under $10. So I'll be doing like a whole series of dishes, and today what we're gonna do is the fish pie. I love making this recipe because you can use mostly like frozen goods. So we'll be using a frozen fish today, just white fish loin, and I like to put a whole bunch of vegetable inside just to make it more healthy. First, start on the russet potatoes. You have to chop it up into smaller pieces before you start boiling. We want to fill it up with cold water first, like the potato doesn't get too starchy and gloopy, and boil until the potato is like cooked all the way through. We're not gonna use all the leek, so we're gonna use half only. Okay, so now we're gonna make the filling. So we just put a bit of olive oil to fry all the veggies. The potatoes cooked, so we're just gonna drain it. While it's hot, you can season it as well. So we're gonna use salt, pepper, some nutmeg, and the cream as well, just to make it really silky and soft. Now we can add the carrots in, chilies, and the spinach as well. Lastly, for the fish, you don't want to cut it too small, if not it will overcook when you're baking the pie. I just want to add in some lemon zest, and then you're going to add some of the Gouda cheese. If your budget is a little bit bigger, I like to add some prawns and other seafood inside, like salmon or squid. It'll be really nice. So after that, you lay the fish at the bottom. We're gonna add the mashed potatoes on top. So a little bit more cheese on top. Okay. So you just have to put it into the oven, which is set at about 180 degrees. Okay, it looks and smells like it's done. Woo. Yep, it's definitely golden brown and it looks beautiful. And this can definitely serve a family of 4 with big appetites. Quite crunchy potato on top. Oh, it smells really, really good. I'm gonna dig in. The cheesiness is like just right, and I like the lemon zest that I put at the end. It really gives like a burst of freshness, which is very nice.